Goodnight, Little One by Margaret Weiss Brown. Little donkey on the hill, standing there so very still, making faces at the skies. Little donkey, close your eyes. Little monkey in the tree, swinging there so merrily, throwing coconuts at the skies. Little monkey, close your eyes. Silly sheep that slowly crop, night has come and you must stop, chewing grass beneath the skies. Silly sheep, now close your eyes. Little pig that squeals about, make no noises with your snout. No more squealing to the skies. Little pig, now close your eyes. Wild young birds that sweetly sing, curve your heads beneath your wing. Dark night covers all the skies. Wild young birds, now close your eyes. Old black cat down in the barn, keeping 5 small kittens warm. Let the wind blow in the skies. Dear old black cat, close your eyes. Little child all tucked in bed, looking such a sleepy head. Stars are quiet in the skies. Little child, now close your eyes.